बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम. Women rights are human rights, but people usually talk about the darajat between men and women. Degrees or ranks or differences between men and women. I think there are certain misconceptions which need to be clarified. There are at least three aspects of this issue which need to be understood properly. When we are talking of human rights, man and woman, they are all equal. Human rights are the same for both of them. Women's rights are also human rights. There's no difference at all so far as humans are concerned. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that both of you, man and woman, they have been created from one soul and they are equal so far as human rights are concerned. And when in fact we are talking about the differences of the degrees or ranks, differences of gender, then in fact there we are talking about the biological, physical, physiological differences. And these are natural. Of course, there are differences. And these differences, because of these differences, both of them have been assigned different responsibilities according to their specific strengths. And it's not that one is superior to the other, or one is inferior to the other, or one is a weaker gender, or the other is a stronger gender. The Quran tells that both of them have been given certain degrees in certain respects which may be stronger than the other. Both of them, in fact, not one. So these are the differences which are natural, biological, physical, and physiological. And so far as the social realm is concerned, the social aspect is concerned, there we find that the Quran uses the word adl. It has different aspects, different meanings, but here I am concerned with one specific aspect of adl in the social sense. Adl means to assign appropriate place to each. So, depending upon the society, a specific culture about which we are talking, their specific roles have been defined by their society. In fact, keeping in view the equal human rights and also keeping in view the differences, as I have already discussed, their appropriate place has been determined for both of them in that society in a specific environment. When we are talking about appropriate place, we are not talking about these appropriate place in a vacuum. It is in a specific society, and here we are concerned with Muslim society. In a Muslim society, depending upon the other two aspects of equal human rights and then differences, as I have discussed, the specific space, specific place, specific role, responsibilities and rights have been assigned to each of them. What they have to do, what each of them will do in the home and outside, for example, at the workplace.